We asked for a meeting. He granted us on the 5th in order to resolve this. And I have witnesses in that room. He says that I understand your case, but my hands are tied. I would like to know who is tying Chebukati's hands. Which law is tying Chebukati's hand if it's a law? Chebukati said that there is no regulation, there is no direction that allows him, as a returning officer, to even treat me preferentially or with affirmative action as someone living with disability.
And all we are getting here is nothing else but a very vicious attempt to stifle any voice that is going to stop the path of trying to illegally remain in power, contrary to the constitution of this country. And we want to tell the current head of state, you shall not succeed.